Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me. Super cute project to share with you today. This is a little matchbox that houses 2 Merci chocolates. Opens either way, whichever way you want to. It's decorated, and I put personalized it with the name of the recipient. So I wanted to share with you how to make it. My scoreboard. I have 2 pieces of Marina Mist. The smallest is 2 1/4 by 3 7/8, and I want to score at 3/8 of an inch on all 4 sides. And then on this is for the cover, 3 1/8 by 4 1/2, and I'm going to score at 1 3/8. 2 7/8, and 3 1/4. Fold and burnish all your score lines. So this special little box is going to be given to my team members who belong on my team. I am having a special pamper day for them. I want them to feel really special, first of all, because they've chosen me as their team leader, and I think it's great. And yeah, I'm having a lovely time treating them, making little crafty boxes, showing them, creating projects for them to do when they come over. All right, so I'm just going to cut up on my score lines and wedge out a little bit, not too much. So yeah, it's happening this Saturday. So I'm pretty excited about it. Obviously, half my team is coming and the other half is spread across Canada, so they won't be able to attend, but I will be sending all these little gifties to the girls, and no boys yet, but yeah, I'm looking very much forward to crafting with them. I have an afternoon planned, and then all the girls who are not in my team that are local or who can't make it will be, I will send them out a package that has all the ingredients to make all the cards and whatnot projects. All right, so I have, there is for the cover, there's, I guess this is 1 inch, and this is slightly more than 1 inch on this side. So this is where I'm going to put my adhesive. And now I'm going to put my little drawer in, and I'm just going to nestle it into where it's supposed to go. Lift the bottom one up, right? And there it is. So not too tight, but snug enough that it you know, holds the treat box, or holds everything in place. Okay, so what else? I have this little piece of, this is Sweet Soiree, and this is the Marina Mist, and then I just put a little bit of glimmer paper behind it. And like I said, I wanted everything to be somewhat flat. So here I'm just going to place this on top. And then with a little glue dot, and I know this is a retired ribbon, but I'm not one for a lot of ribbon. So for me, I'm waiting for the new catalog to come out, and if there's anything wicked in there that I think I will need as ribbon, that's when I'll buy it. But I do like consumables when celebration comes. So I am utilizing this beautiful, it's a gray ribbon. I think it goes so well. Look at, right? Oh, so cute. I hope the girls will like it. Anyway, that's my share for today, and perhaps the next 3 videos actually will all be treats for my team. I'm so excited to share with you how I made it and treated them, and for them to actually get the gifts. Anyway, thanks so much for hanging with me. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.